Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles from the top right corner of the screen, like so, and locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which looks to be on the second page right over here, DND. Once you find it, you can hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So just scroll down and you will find the options right here. Now there isn't very many of them. As you can see, we only have like 5 of them. Sorry for that. Anyway, so we have 5 of them and you can go over all of them. We have things like notify about repeated callers, notify about calls, and when device is locked, meaning if you enable your Do Not Disturb mode and also when device is locked, it will only work when you lock the device. So right now when I'm using it, it's just gonna continue to function normally as though Do Not Disturb mode is off. We have also schedule right here, so you can set it up. You can only set up one, unfortunately, which allows you to choose start, end time, and days of the week. And if you're planning to use schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on right here, and that's all you would need to do. But for everybody else, once you set it up, you would be able to just toggle it on and off manually by tapping on it right over here. So right now it's on, and if I tap on it once more, it's gonna be off. So there we go. So that is how you could set up and use your Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.